I'm Eric Cooperstein. I'm a member of the Minnesota Housing Finance Agency Board, and this is the annual event to announce all the projects that have been approved based on the consolidated RFP. It's a very exciting day. What would I say to homeowners who are recipients of funding? I am excited for their stability and for getting a new home. I have a home. I love the day I moved into my house, and everyone should get to experience that joy of moving into your own home. The whole shared equity community land trust model is really important because one of the things we see today is how hard it is for people to afford a home. And there needs to be long-term planning for housing. People are always going to need housing, and based on what we've seen in the last 50 years, housing's always going to be expensive. There are finite resources, and those resources will get more expensive. So the puzzle is, how do you do things today that will make it possible for people 10, 20, 30, 50 years from now to be able to have their own home? So the community land trust model is a really important partnership, both with developers and with homeowners themselves. It's really a win-win. Home is more than just a place. It's also a concept. It can be a feeling, and it's something that it gets developed over time. And again, just like as I said earlier, everyone should be able to have that feeling of their place. I will say it is such a privilege to be on the board, to be here at this event, to be essentially a witness to the good work that is being done every single day in Minnesota, and it gives me a lot of hope for the future. Well, I have to say that as a board member, when I get the packet of proposals that we're asked to approve, I am always awestruck by the amount of work the staff has to do. It is the balancing that has to go on to achieve the distribution between city and state and between supportive housing and senior housing and homelessness prevention. It's an astounding amount of work. There's a huge number of choices that have to be made, and the staff, they make it look easy, but I know that there's long hours that go into the consolidated RFP. It's tremendous. It's really tremendous work.